Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. In today's video, we're breaking down one of the most in-demand beginner AI programs available, Google AI Essentials. Whether you're upskilling for your current role, exploring a new career path, or simply curious about how AI can improve your productivity, this course offers a practical, hands-on approach to using artificial intelligence in everyday work situations. This program has already attracted more than 296,000 learners who have successfully completed it. That level of enrollment shows just how valuable and widely applicable these skills have become. As AI continues reshaping industries, professionals who understand how to use these tools effectively often see increased earning potential, stronger job security, and better long-term opportunities. Let's start with what you'll learn inside Google AI Essentials. The course is designed for complete beginners, so you don't need any technical experience. You'll learn how AI works, how to use it responsibly, and how to apply modern AI tools to streamline tasks, boost productivity, and support better decision-making at work. Everything is practical, relevant, and easy to use from day one. Now let's walk through the key modules. Here's a brief overview of what you'll experience in each section. Introduction to AI and Everyday Applications. In this module, you'll learn what artificial intelligence is, how it works behind the scenes, and how AI shows up in everyday tools you already use. Responsible and safe use of AI. You'll explore how to use AI safely and responsibly, including how to evaluate AI-generated results, protect sensitive information, and avoid bias in workplace decisions. Boosting productivity with AI tools. You'll discover practical AI tools that help you summarize information, write faster, brainstorm ideas, analyze data, and automate repetitive tasks so you can work more efficiently. Real workplace AI scenarios. In this section, you'll see real workplace examples showing how AI supports professionals across business, education, customer service, marketing, and operations. Building AI skills for the future. You'll build future-ready AI skills that help you adapt, stay competitive, and thrive in an AI-powered job market. These modules are short, engaging, and designed to help you quickly apply AI in the real world. Instead of focusing on coding, the course teaches AI literacy and practical skills that employers increasingly expect in the modern workplace. Now let's talk about certification. When you complete Google AI Essentials, you earn a Google Career Certificate that you can immediately add to your LinkedIn profile, your resume, and your CV. You can also share it during performance reviews or team meetings to highlight your commitment to continuous learning and professional development, showing that you are proactively building skills that benefit both your career and your organization. Because this credential comes from one of the world's leading technology companies, it carries strong recognition among employers and hiring teams. As AI continues transforming the workplace, building confidence with these tools is one of the smartest steps you can take. Whether your goal is to increase efficiency, strengthen your job performance, or future-proof your career, this course gives you a powerful foundation. Have you taken this course? If so, drop your feedback in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think, and your insights can help other learners decide if it's right for them. If you're ready to get started, you can enroll in this course today for free. We've included a special link in the description so you can join instantly and begin learning at your own pace. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe for weekly professional development course reviews and mini lessons to help you grow your skills and advance your career. And finally, visit us online at businesstrainingmedia.com for a wide selection of courses, certifications, and career-building resources. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.